And the Presidential Awards for Learning recognize students who engage their campus community, push through challenges, and exhibit the drive and determination it takes to achieve educational goals. I'm happy to present awards to the following students, and as with the other awardees, as I call your name, please come and join me on the stage. Our first awardee for the Presidential Learning Awards is Harlee Haws. Harlee here. Harlee's nomination reads that she is an intervention specialist major from Peebles, Ohio. And she was also nominated by Charles Kemp for putting the application of theories and strategies to practice to impact her primary grade learners, many of whom struggle due to a disability. In the words of her professor, Harlee researches other strategies when the strategies tried were not as successful as I'd hoped, and she applies co-teaching strategies learned with her mentor teachers to further impact classroom instruction for her young learners. She also supports student colleagues with teaching and behavioral strategies when others have not worked. So let's give a round of applause again for Harlee. The next awardee is Rickey Massengale. Rickey is of Lucasville, and he was nominated by Paul Madden. Rickey is an active duty veteran of the United States Army. He maintains a 3.84 GPA as a full-time Bachelor of Arts, AYA, Integrated Social Studies major, and is the father of 3 children. He's currently completing his clinical year teaching at Wheelersburg Middle School, where he's a full-time engaging student teacher, and he is completing a research study exploring the impact of organizers on writing and social studies content knowledge. Congratulations, Rickey. And our third awardee is also not able to be here today, but I'd like to congratulate Jennifer Moniger, and we will get to award to her. Jennifer is a studio arts major and was nominated by Brianna Mullen Hayes, who wrote, "Jennifer has faced many barriers to her learning and has overcome them all. She actively pursues solutions and has helped Shawnee State develop better systems to help everyone on campus with accessibility issues. She can go into any room and know 9 out of 10 people, and if she doesn't know who you need to go to for help, she will find out." Let's give some applause and appreciation.